Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with the man of the moment, Father Dipper, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Rachel Lie, with a song called Protect Me, music video that is, let's go. Catch me, I'm going to the one here with the JAMAICA'S. I don't know, Valiant, J. I'm going to put right now, my G, nothing can hold it back. See me? So, let's get to the Protect Me. Let's go.
My curb and dark, you fuck.
No!
Yo, guy, me know them would hurt.
Come on!
As a diplomat, my father.
Asa!
Them friendship no worth it. I see a thing over and over, you know.
Asa!
Love fuck up and it still. Yo, my heart can't take a breath. High grade with the craving here. And the scene take the pain away.
Lord Cla, Chopper Gospel, Chopper Gospel, Chopper Gospel, oh Cla, as a people.
I see a thing over and over, you know. God.
Let's go.
Love fuck up and it still. Yo, my heart can't take a breath.
No.
High grade with the craving here. And the scene take the pain away. Emotions can't fade away. Yo, I'm stuck in my way.
Stuck in my ways.
Friends change over what my call family. Still I hear you can still see the body. Protect me from people I love who don't love me. And I only feel safe.
The man I pray to him gun, brother. Yo, the man I talk to him gun. And I pray to him gun.
Take me from people I love who don't love me.
Man said, take me from people who I love and they don't love me. So yo, the man tell him gun, so yo, take them people all time life, brother. Yeah, cause I can trust you so I can talk to you them way. You know what I mean? Run up.
Protect me from people I love who don't love me. And I only feel safe when my gun is around me.
Yeah.
And I know that in person would say things to hurt me. You say that you're perfect, just show me you're worth it. Yeah. Can't sit down and nothing about friendship and nothing about you, girl.
Yo, there's no slowing down Valley. There is no slowing down Valiant, bro. No matter what you say, no matter what you try, you can't. I see the man go perform. I want which country him there with you? I want girl teeth all in jacket. I don't care slow down the man. Valley, even if the man give back the jacket, don't take it. That will slow you down. That will slow you down. My brother, don't take it. Don't take it. No.
You say that you're perfect, just show me you're worth it. Yeah. Can't sit down and nothing about friendship and nothing about you, girl.
Yeah.
You're my heart full of rage and the pain reap. Tired of being used.
Tired of being used. Man, I tell you straight.
Yeah. Can't sit down and nothing about friendship and nothing about you, girl.
Yeah.
You're my heart full of rage and the pain reap. Tired of being used.
Yeah.
Glock 17 shit.
You're the man excited and I want a blood clot. Glock 17 chip. No. Boom, clot. Also the G going on. No, not quite that, but you know what I mean. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Glock 17 chip. Yeah. Yeah. Why roll by myself? That is it. Me alone, man. No.
Yo, Kyle, no. Protect me from people I love
when no love me.
And I only feel safe when my gun is around me. And I know that in person would say things to hurt me. You say that you're perfect, just show me you're worth it. You're my corrupt, I'm a dark, you fuck.
Catch flow pussy.
Hope people fall in love.
You must have a corrupt, I'm a dark, you fuck. Question, how people fall in love? Me don't understand it.
I'm a dark and fuck.
Yeah.
Hope people fall in love. I'm just a focus on the grind. I'm a day up on the line one night.
Nah, me on the time for the love not pay me, love stress me, brother. Love have me a think all type of way. What me a focus pan? Hello? Hi, Miss Jen. I'm still a thief. That me a focus pan. Banging. Banging. That is where it's at.
Hope people fall in love. I'm just a focus on the grind. I'm a day up on the line one night.
Money.
I'm a gun by my side who I'm alive.
Lion. Nah jam. Nasty.
Take me from people I love who don't love me. And I only feel safe when my gun is around me.
Yeah.
And I know that in person you would say things to hurt me. You say that you're perfect.
Where me going? Where me going? No, let's go with this one.
Take me from people I love.
You know, that I fake, bro.
Tie my G.
You know, if you're not with me right now, just go on. You know, style. You style. As a diplomat.
Dippo. Humberclad. Yeah. That's the record. Dub top. So hold on there. Only now gonna just speed past that like that is not a hit song. Only now gonna speed past it like every song the man drop on a hit song. That is a hit song. That is the next one out in a catalog. By the time now you get done, in music library gonna be bigger than a catalog. It's gonna be a lion-a-log. Get it? Lion, cat, no cat bigger than lion-a-log. Yeah, that's how it there. Yo, Valley, big up yourself, bro. Valley, big up yourself. Not sure if a King Cam shoot this, but if you a King Cam, big up yourself. You don't know you do the thing, bro. You see me? Yo! Valiant is true their inspiration to I'll get you taught this, so no matter how hard you work, one day it will be yours. Once you believe and have faith. You see me? Believe, have faith, my G. I'll keep working hard, it will. Believe in yourself, believe in your craft. Only you can believe in you like how you are supposed to be believed in. You understand? Anything will come after? Yeah, that is a bonus. But believe in yourself. Own your craft. You see me? Yeah. Valley, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. It's forward to a stage now where only thing I expect from Valiant, only thing I expect from a bad song, a hit song. You don't drop no shit song. If you drop a shit song, I'm going to tell you it's a shit song. You don't drop no shit song. No. You don't drop no shit. I'm not going to say yet. Because I'm not expect you to drop a shit song. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's the thing there, bro. Big up yourself. Big up the team around you. We keep you grounded, bro. Big up yourself, bro. Continue being a people's person. The fans them love you. The fans them say you say the fans them. So go and do your thing, my G. You see me? I'm a bit like myself. Big up your whole team around you. This is why I'm going to leave that one. Still, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from you, G. Drop a like on this video. You don't know. You see me? So you can reach to other people recommendation list. You see me? Subscribe around there if you're new. It take away nothing from you. It don't take away nothing from your account. Subscribe to the channel. You understand? Yeah, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. That is it now. Take me away from love me.